we're going to learn some farm animal names in Spanish. So Piglet, repeat after me, but in Spanish, okay?
Oh, yes. Oh, I mean, sí.
Okay. Cow.
Vaca.
Horse.
Caballo.
Pig.
Cerdo. Like me.
Yes. Now, goat.
Cabra.
Chicken.
Gallina.
Wait a minute. I love chickens. That's my favorite animal. Oh my God, they're so cute.
Yeah, I know. It's my favorite animal too.
Okay. So let's keep going. Donkey.
Burro.
Sheep.
Oveja.
Rabbit.
Conejo.